So guys, it's been 11 days since I deactivate my Instagram account. And to be honest, I feel more at peace right now and less distraction. Kaya ko talaga deactivate yung Instagram ko kasi ang daming distraction. Mabilis ako ma-distract sa IG kasi syempre scroll tayo, tapos tingin-tingin tayo sa mga stories ng iba pag bored tayo. Tapos hindi natin namamalayan yung oras na, or sometimes, ayun nga, it causes procrastination na. And syempre, marami tayong friends, so maraming aya ng aya, like party dito, party doon, invite dito, invite doon. And that's why I decided to, give myself a break and deactivate from my Instagram account. And I feel better, sometimes talaga, kasi ako ambivert ako. That's why I need time away from everyone to recharge my energy again. I'm that kind of person. Hindi ako yung extrovert na tao na parang I wanna be around with people 24/7. I need a break. I need alone time. So, right now, actually, I made a to-do list. Gumawa ako ng mga to-do list. And actually, ang dami ko nang na-check sa mga to-do list ko, nagawa ko na siya. And I feel great kasi syempre, ang dami kong mga nagawa na task na hindi ko nagagawa before kasi nga distracted ako. And I just want to let you know, guys, na sometimes we just need a break. And we should give ourselves that break because we deserved it. And hindi naman all the time need natin makisabay sa mga tao. Hindi porket nandun siya sa face niya na yun, isasabayan mo na siya. Kasi we all have our own our own face. And dapat huwag natin siya i-force sa sarili natin, especially pag hindi naman natin kailangan. So, ayun lang. Ayun yung na-realize ko and yung learnings ko ngayon. Right now rin, mas clear na yung mind mo. Kasi syempre, ang dami mo ng task na natapos, mas makakapag-isip ka na ng maayos sa kung ano ba yung mga plans mo for the future. Ano ba yung mga gusto mo talagang gawin. And I also made, guys, I made bucket list na mga gusto kong i-achieve this year. So, yun. Ayun yung tip ko. Make a list of the things that you want to do para rin ma-motivate ka. And kasi actually yung to-do list talaga, nakaka-motivate siya for me sa akin. Kasi syempre, nakikita ko yung mga na-checkan ko na, yung mga nagawa ko ng task. Mas na-motivate ako na gawin and tapusin yung mga iba ko pang task. And mas nagiging proud ako sa sarili ko kasi, di ba? Oh my gosh! Natapos ko rin finally after procrastinating it for like 2 weeks. Di ba? Sometimes we just need to give ourselves a little break away from all the distraction. And it's perfectly fine.
I don't know, guys, why I lost my audio here, but I'm just showing my gym outfit for the day. Itsura ng gutom na. Nasa itinerary steak ako ngayon, guys. Di-dinner. Nag-crave kasi ako ng steak. Dumi na ng gabi.
Stay here tonight, take the bed. I'll sleep on the couch.
I don't know if that's...
I'm not gonna take no.
Nanonood ako ng Netflix series. His and Hers. Ganda niya, guys. Interesting.
Me being lazy. Kailangan ko mag-yoga, guys. And I need to do a lot of things. But here I am, just laying down.
I help thousands of business owners to grow because I stopped tolerating that bull.
Ito yung favorite kong matcha, guys. Actually, yung last na in-order ko, double milk siya. So, mas milky siya ito siya. Kaso, ubos na. Pero masyado kasi itong matamis. Mas sasarapan ako dito. Tapos, partner with oatmeal. Try niya siya, guys. Sarap. Yan. Taran! Our matcha latte. I did some yoga. I crave pizza, so I made one. Yes. Ang labo ng camera ko. But I'm going to Sialkao. Eat Chinese barbecue because I'm craving. Another day. Sobrang ng weather ngayon. Yes. I'm so lazy to move today. Cause I think I wake up in the wrong side of the bed. Charot, I did something disappointing lang. So, disappointed ako sa self ko for today's video. I'm not happy and it's totally fine. It's okay to feel sad and disappointed to yourself. Just don't blame yourself too much for it. Let's go to MOA. Punta ko ng MOA saglit, guys. Kasi nagka-crave ako ng fluffy pancake. I need something eat to sweet.
No.
After nun, magpapadrip ako. Yes, because I have weekly drip. Tinatapos ko lang yung pang-anim ko na weekly drip. Then, pwede na akong mag twice a month na lang. But yeah, let's go. Punta tayo MOA Sky, guys. Ang ganda ng sunset. Right. Let's go! Dito siya sa third floor ng MOA. Coffee, pancake. I ordered Dubai chocolate, guys. Yay! Craving satisfied. Naglalaro na lang ako ng Roblox, guys. Shawarma Anomalies. LT siya. Grabe yung plot twist, guys. Oh my gosh, grabe. Oh my gosh.
Both ugly.
Going to the gym. Done with my workout. Kakauwi ko lang and kumain ako, guys. Sobrang busog na busog ako. Like, ang kinain ko. Bumili lang ako sa 7-Eleven ng tuna omelette. Tapos, nag-boiled ako ng 2 egg. And kumain ako nung chicken fillet sa 7-Eleven din. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap niya. Favorite ko talaga yung chicken fillet partner with gravy. Nag-aayos lang ako and mag-grocery kami. Let's go! Let's go! Grocery, guys! Tingin ako ng asparagus kasi mag-steak ako. Must have. Kailangan ko ng ano. Kasi magagawa ko ng pizza. So, kailangan ko ng onion. Yes. Spices for steak. Ito talaga kailangan. Asan na? Asan yung kailangan? Ito, time. Cured spinach. Kailangan ko ng meat. Nakita ko dito chobani flip. Try natin. For the bayad. Chobani flip. I just showered and I'm gonna end the vlog here. But before ending the vlog, let's do a reflection of my week. So yes, because it's been it's been 17 days since I deactivated my Instagram, and here's what I learned so far from it. I don't really crave Instagram anymore. Like, I'm used to not having it. So number one is I learned to set boundaries and say no to things that I do not want to do. Ayun, ngayon natutunan ko na very important na mag-set ako ng boundaries, and kapag hindi ako komportable or I don't wanna go out, then I'm not gonna go out, ganun. Because sometimes, of course, when you have friends, syempre maraming mag-aaya sa'yo na lumabas, like party dito, party doon. And it's okay to learn to say no kasi lahat tayo may sarili-sariling buhay and may mga phase din tayo sa life. Sometimes nga, hindi naman nating phase na puro party-party, ganyan. And it's totally fine. Hindi natin kailangan makisabay. And second naman, approval of others won't change what meant for you. So natutunan ko yun na I don't need the approval of others or the clap of others for me to success in life. Hindi naman talaga kailangan yun, guys. Actually, additional na lang yun na may mga tao na kaklap sa'yo or like ma-appreciate yung mga achievement mo. Pero hindi naman talaga siya required and hindi mo siya kailangan, to be honest. Yun nga, wala akong IG for 2 weeks and na-realize ko na mas naging better nga yung life ko now. Kasi siguro, naniniwala rin kasi ako sa evil eye na kapag when you post too much, ganun, pwede kang magkaroon ng evil eye. Kasi syempre, maraming tao na hindi masaya sa nakikita nila sa'yo. And that's totally fine. So yun nga, what I've learned is, it won't change what meant for you. What meant for you, your success, it also requires effort. And dun papasok yung number 3, which is isolation will help you become more creative. Ayun. Mas sinulungan niya ako na mag-isip ng maayos. It helps clear my mind. Kasi ngayon, syempre wala akong IG, hindi na ako doom scrolling, ganon. And mas may time ako na maisip yung mga bagay na gusto ko talagang gawin. Yung mga task na gusto kong tapusin, ganon. I made like a list. Sobrang, eto yung mga nagawa ko within 2 weeks. Meron pang isa sa luma kong to-do list. But marami na akong task na nagawa and na-achieve. It's because nakatulong yung pagde-deactivated ko sa IG talaga kasi sobrang hilig kong mag-scroll sa IG. But yun, it will help you become more creative rin kasi nga mas ma-prioritize mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin or pinoprocrastinate mo for the past months. Ganun. And
ayun, last is to stop caring about the opinion of others. Ngayon, I give less about the opinion of others. Wala na akong ganun kapake kasi nga na-realize ko na it won't define me. The only thing that will define me is myself and the effort that I make every day to achieve the things that I want to achieve. So, ayun yung mga learnings ko for this week. Just do you, just focus on your life. Stop focusing on other people's life by doom scrolling on their stories. Now, I feel much better and I feel more prouder with myself because I'm able to, achieve the things that I've been wanting to do and also to complete my to-do list. Ayun lang. And journaling also helped me. I also started journaling and it really helped me a lot because sometimes I have a lot of things in mind and I just need to write them down, especially the things that I want to do nga. Because hindi ko ginagawa yun before. But yeah, that's all. And for my next vlog, I think it's going to be Thailand vlog because I'm going to Thailand next week. So yeah, see you again guys. Bye!